Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by always. So today I share with you how to make the simple beaded earring. Okay, so in my previous video I already shared with you how to make the necklace and the bracelet. If you haven't seen it, do well to check it out. All right, I'll tag the link in the description box and also in the comment section. So give this video a thumbs up and let's dive into today's business. So the materials needed are listed on the screen. I'll also list them in the description box, so check it out. Okay, so to start with, cut reasonable amounts of fire line, not too long. Okay, insert it into your working needle. Pick one of your pearl bead, insert your working needle into it like so and pull it. Once that is done, work your needle back into the pearl bead again and pull it. After pulling, leave little amounts of your fire line, all right? And then the next thing is just to knot it. Okay, knot it. Then after knotting, don't cut out this extra length, all right? Don't cut it yet. Okay, then the next thing to do is just to work your needle back into the pearl bead and pull it. After pulling it, pick 9 seed bead of any of your colors, all right? 9 of it. Then pull it down. Work your needle back into the pearl bead and pull it. So after pulling, this is what your work should look like. The next thing to do, we are going to pick the same color of seed bead. Okay, pick 9 seed bead of the same color. Okay, 9 of it. Pull it down. After that, work your needle back into the pearl bead. This is your line. Okay, then work your needle back into the pearl bead like so and pull it. After pulling, this is how your work should look like. So the next thing to do is just to move it to the side like so. You see that? So that is how we are going to arrange. Okay, move it to the side. So now I'm going to pick 9 seed bead of another color. Okay, then drop it. After dropping it, work your needle back into the pearl bead like so. This is your line. Then work your needle from the down, the bottom, like so, and then pull it. After pulling it, this is what you have. Then move it just like so to the side. Like I said, that is how we are going to continue arranging it. Okay, now I'm going to pick the same color that I just added, 9 of it. So I pick 9 of the recently added color, drop it. After dropping it, work your needle back into the pearl bead like so and pull it. After pulling, this is what you have. All you need to do is just to move it to the side like so. So I pick 9 of another color, red, then I'll drop it. Then work my needle back into the pearl bead like so and pull. Once that is done, just move it to the side. So this is how we are going to continue working. So I picked the same color that I just added, 9 of it. I'll drop it. Work your needle back into the pearl bead and pull. I pick 9 of it of the recently added color, drop it, and work your needle back into the pearl bead. So this is how we are going to continue until we are done filling the space. Okay, I pick 9 color. Okay, drop it, work your needle back into the pearl bead, pull it, then place it where it should be. and pull it so tight. Okay, just like so. This is it. All right. I'll repeat the same process. I picked 9 of the same color I just added. You can see we are arranging it in 2 colors, 2, 2, okay? Then drop it, work your needle back into the pearl bead and pull it. After pulling, place it or fix it where it should be, okay? So I'm done picking the 5 colors that we have, but I still have more space to cover. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to pick any color from the color that I use, all right, and then close the space. Okay, so I pick up 8 seed bead, then drop it. After dropping, look for a place where you want the color to be. Okay, then pass your needle back into the pearl bead and pull it. Then fix it where you want it to be. Okay, as you can see, it is gold color that I added, so I fix it right here. Okay, so I pick up 8 seed bead, drop it, then work my needle back into the pearl bead. So guys, I'm done fixing it. Okay, if you still want to close it more, you have to reduce the count of beads that you are adding, all right? But this is what I want. Okay, so we are done with it. Now the next thing to do, pick 1 seed bead. Okay, 1 seed bead. This is our fire line. All right, then I'm going to pass, I drop the 1 bead that I picked, then this is our line, I'm going to pass my needle back into it like so. This is our fire line. All right, then I'm going to pass my needle back into the pearl bead again, then pull it. Reason being that I use that to cover this space. Okay, then pull it. I pick size 4 of my pearl bead, all right, drop it, and after dropping it, you still work your needle back into the hole, the pearl bead, all right, down like so, and pull. So after pulling, this is what you have. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to work my needle into 1 roll of the seed bead. I'll pass my needle into 1 roll of the seed beads, okay, and pull it so tight. Now I'll work my needle back into the pearl bead we just added, pull it, then I'll work my needle back into the pearl bead, see that, and then pull. At this point, I am going to knot. All right, now to knot it, watch closely. I'll pass my needle, check for the line, the fire line, all right, the fire line, then pull it. Just form a loop like this, and then pass your needle in it, then pull. Repeat the same process 2 to 3 times to make sure you knot properly, all right? So after knotting, you don't cut. Secure your line by what? Passing it through some seed beads. Then at this point, you can cut it out. So this is the one we started with that I said you shouldn't cut. Secure it as well by passing it through some beads and cut it. So guys, this is what we have. See how beautiful it is. Okay, so now we are going to fix our earring. All right, so to do that, pick your jump ring, open it like so, then pass it through the pearl bead you added, just like so. All right, then add in your earring, the ring, like so, and then close it. Make sure you close it properly. All right, and that is it guys, we are done. Very simple and then quick to make. So this is it guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you. If you are here to give this video a thumbs up, please kindly do give this video a thumbs up and share me out. All right, this is our beautiful and simple earring. See how beautiful it is. All right, thank you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.